Thikũ ithatu kuma marigitari a thibitari munene wa Kenyatta manirira kuiga miro yao thi wona ruhonge rwa SRC rwaga kuhingia ciiraniro iria meranĩire. Umuthi marigitari aya maugire ciigana ni ciigana na matigwetikira kuhinyiririo ringi.
Tumekaa kutoka Saturday Sunday, tukakaa kwa ofisi kutoka saa 2 mpaka saa 2. Leo tumeenda saa 3, tumepakisha mpaka saa 4, hatujapatiwa barua.
Muthi wa gatano ga kiumia kihituku marigitari aya ni marurunganire nginyagia wabici-ini cia SRC ona gutuika mihango ya Utungata no yathiaga na mbere o ta mutugo kuria makinyiriirie mahingirio ciiraniro iria mereirwo.
This was just to tell SRC if the problem is not sorted out, then unfortunately the strike notice will take effect.
Marigitari aya makoretwo magitetia kwaga kwamukira mbeca ona thengia wa ministry ya kigina kurekereria kigina kiao kiria gitigaritie o gwikirwo thairi ni ruhonge rwa SRC undu uria wagite gukinyanira.
The hospital has money, the SRC cannot give the letter. We want the SRC to give concurrency so that the money can be paid. Period.
Manathia ya maugite matigukorwo magicoka na thutha na gutire undu ugutuma macenjie meciria mao nginyagia maneo kiria kimakonie, makiuga makoretwo makiruta wira kihinyio no na thutha wa kwirutaniria no kuhinyiririka marahinyiririka.
Na tumechoka na huu mchezo wa paka na panya na SRC.
Tunaambia SRC sisi hatutarudi nyuma mpaka tuone barua address to the CEO Kenyatta National Hospital saying we advise you to do what? We advise you to do what?
Ona gukiri uguo arwaru thibitari-ini uyu mahinyiriirio gwetha urigiti thibitari-ini ingi, angi nao magitigwo matukanĩirwo matekumenya uria megucoka meke. Kaunti-ini ya Mombatha nakuo maundu matiuma ngũrani. Marigitari a thibitari cia muingi makiria ya 200 nao makiiga miro yao thi kumana na gucerithirio kwa micara, kwaga kuhaicio ngathi kuma mwaka wa 2013 ona thengia ya aingi gukorwo makinyanirie ikiro guku makiuga ona ni gukoretwo na muthutukanio.
And even when they pay for 2 months, we had to threaten them with industrial action for them to even consider paying us. And they had to go to a bank, Equity Bank, to pay. You're wondering where are their financial priorities? Finances are handled horribly. That department is doing up.
Handu-ini Hakameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.